In this video, we'll learn how to build this website using WordPress. So it's a 5-page website. So it's a home, about, services, blog, and contact page. So let's get started. First, you'll need a hosting company, and I recommend using Cloudways. So you can get started for as little as $10 a month. And the good thing about Cloudways is that as your website grows, they'll be able to manage your website by offering you a better hosting plan that suits your website traffic. So if you use the link in the description, it'll help support the channel. So let's get started by clicking try for free. And so once you create an account, you can just log in. And then you should have access to the admin panel, which will look like this. First, you want to click add server, and then choose WordPress 6.1 or the latest version at the time of this recording. And then you want to name your app, which is just WordPress server, WordPress server. And then the project, we'll just use WordPress testing, and then just choose the lowest server size, and then choose the location closest to your target demographic. So for me, it'll be Toronto, and then just click launch now. And so now it's creating the server, so I'll come back once it's ready. Okay, so now our server is ready and it's already installed WordPress for us. So now we can get started with setting up the website. So you enter the server, and then you just want to go to the application section and click WordPress. And then Cloudways gives you a unique link, and these here are your admin credentials. So you can use this to log in separately if you're not logging in through Cloudways. So let's enter the URL. Okay, so this is how your website looks with just a fresh install. So we're gonna log in to the admin. Okay, so this is the admin portion of WordPress. So what we're gonna do is just check the settings first. Okay, so we will change the domains after once we purchase a new domain, but we can start off by setting up a site title. So let's say Sean's blog. And then you can just check the settings down here, and this all looks good. So save. And then in writing, we can set the home page to just the sample page first, but we will edit this in the later time. Yeah, so let's just click save first. Okay, so this is discussion. So this just goes over who can comment on your post and just general authorization for if you want to manually approve comments. So you can just so you can edit these settings as you'd like. Okay, so next is permalinks. So I'd recommend just using post name. So this is just how the URL structure will be for your blogs. So just click save. Okay, and then just privacy. You can skip that for now. Okay, and this has to do with Cloudways, so we can skip that for now. Okay, next we'll work on installing the theme. So we can just go to appearances and then themes, and then click add new. And then we'll install this theme called Hello Elementor because we'll be using Elementor to build our website. So click install, activate. Okay, and if we view our site, now the website's changed. So next we'll need to just install Elementor, and then we can start editing each individual page. Okay, so go to Elementor. Over here it says install Elementor. Okay. So install and activate, and then once that's installed, we can start editing the pages. So let's edit the sample page that we set to the home page. So click edit with Elementor. And so now we're able to edit the page. So let's just delete this for now and just add a new section. So this first section will be like a hero banner section. So we'll make that full width, and then we'll drag an image block. So we'll choose an image. Let's go to Unsplash. And then go to, let's see what's available here. Let's make a car blog. So click search for car. Yeah, let's use this image. And then we can upload it to WordPress just by dragging it into the media files. Okay, then click insert media, and now it's the full image is here. Okay, so yeah, that looks nice as soon as you enter the blog to see this image. So the next section will have like a text with an image. So let's make this side another image. And then the other side to be a text image. But before that, I think we should have just the main title as well. So you can just add a new section. So just click here and just add a new section and just move it below the header. Why is this one not showing its full width? Okay, click heading. So let's name this the nicest, the coolest car in Toronto, and center that, and let's make it an H1 just for SEO purposes. Okay, and then here we can find another image of a car. And just input that here, delete, and then you can write just a little blurb. So this website showcases best cars in Toronto. Some featured cars includes Bugatti, Ferrari, and Toyotas. Supras. Let's just add some more fluff. So subscribe to be updated with the latest car photos and car events in Toronto. Okay, yeah, let's just keep it like that and then click update. Okay, and then we can just have one more section just to finish off the homepage. Let's see what we can add. Let's just put another text just to finish off. We can just put general business information here for now. Send all inquiries to John at carblog.ca. And then just a fake phone number. Okay, and then yeah, let's just finish that for now and then click update. Okay, so let's just view this website live. Okay, so this is how it looks like now. Yeah, it's a good start. So let's edit this top section here. Go to site settings. Layout. Go to header. Let's no, we need to go somewhere else, so let's just go back to the admin. Discard. Go back to the admin and then click customize. Then click site identity. We don't have a logo or site icon yet, so we can skip that first. But let's make our menu. So create a new menu. And then let's just name it main menu. Okay, so what we're gonna have is sample page. Okay, that's all we have for now. Okay, let's go back. Okay, next we'll work on setting up the other pages. So let's create an about page. So go to add new page. About. Okay. Let's add another page. Say services. And the last page will be a contact page. Okay, let's go back to menus. Now let's change the navigation label to home. We'll change the name of this page after. And then just import these pages also to the main menu. And click save. And let's check our site. Now you see the navigation looks a lot better. Okay, next let's go back and edit the title of the sample page. Let's just rename that to home. Okay, and now we can start working on setting up the about page and the other pages we just created. So with the about page, let's just add, let's see, yeah, I would say just like a 2-column section. The left side, let's just add just another image. Let's see if there's a car photographer. Yeah, let's use this image for now. Okay, and just drag that image here. Add a text. And then just write doesn't seem to be updating. Just write it here first. Okay, now it's updating. Okay, hi, my name is Sean. And this, I am passionate about cars. I am available for hire to photos and videos of your vehicles. Only take clients in North America. Okay, that should be good. Let's just hit save. And then just view the website. Okay, so the home page, then go to about. Yeah, so this is the about page. It's just a short blurb. So let's just do the services page. We'll just add in more detail the services that the website provides. Let's go to services and then edit page. Okay, go back to the dashboard and then go to pages, services, edit with Elementor. Okay, services, let's just make 2 sections. Let's see. Yeah, let's do a 3 section. So let's say just heading, photography, videography, and third service, let's just say what's another service can provide, let's say cleaning. Oh no, let's say social media, advertising. Okay, then underneath we can just add, let's put an image. So we can just duplicate this, just add it here and duplicate again, just add it there. Okay, let's just find 3 pictures. Photography. Yeah, this one looks good. Okay, click choose image, just drag it in. Okay, next videography. And then social media. Yeah, I think it's just faster to drag it in. Oh no, that doesn't work. Okay. Let's just upload this one. Okay, so this one doesn't look good because they're not all the same height. So let's see if we can adjust this. Yeah, I think it would just be better just to add a little bit of padding to the top. Or margin to the top. And just at the top. So let's see. Okay, there we go. Just so it's centered. Okay, yeah, so that looks better. Let's click update. Okay, and let's view this page live. Okay, so the home page, about us page, and then the services page. Yeah. So next we're gonna work on how to create a blog, and then we'll add the blog to the main menu. So first you want to go to post, and then click add new. So let's say top 5 car brands for summer. And then here you can write out your blog post. But I'll just get some lowerman some text for now. So just copy that. Okay, so next we'll just publish this blog. Okay, and let's just check the settings here. So these are just the categories. So let's create a new category. Let's just name this cars, tags, and then the featured image. Okay, so let's set a featured image. Let's just use the Porsche. Upload it here. Okay, in just the settings, you want to allow comments and allow pingbacks and trackbacks. I don't know what that is, but let's just keep it on. Okay, and then click update. And then let's view our post. Okay, so here's the top 5 brands for summer. And there's the post. Why isn't the image showing? Okay, let's just add it to the actual post itself. So what we're gonna do is just click add image. Go to media library, and then just take the car here. Let's say, yeah, full width. See, how do you center it? Align center, and then just clean up the spacing. Okay, let's update that and try again. Okay, so yeah, that looks pretty bad. So let's just fix the spacing. Just align this left, and then just add a little bit of spacing before the main image, after the main image, and then click update. Okay, so that didn't turn out as expected, so I'll just re-edit it again. Yeah, so it's the align left, that's why. Okay, let's try that. Okay, yeah, so this looks a lot better. Okay, so now we'll link our blog page to the main menu. Okay, so we'll go to dashboard, menus, and then go to categories, cars, add to menu, and then just name this blog and save. Okay, and then we'll view the front page, and it's there in the navigation, and then if you click blog, you'll see the post here. And I think now the featured image shows. Okay, so for next, we'll move on to building the contact page. Now we have all our main pages up in the navigation. Download a contact form plugin. So go to plugins and then search for WP Forms. Yeah, this one right here, contact form by WP Forms, and click install. Okay, then click activate. Okay, let's create our first form. Okay, so they have templates already, so let's just use the simple contact form. Okay, name, email, can you add phone number, okay, phone number. Let's just say, can you just put first name? Yeah. And then make these required. And then just let's keep simple message. Let's just make it all required. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so we have our short code here, and we'll just need to copy this to our contact page. So we can go to contact, edit with Elementor. Okay, let's just put text editor. And then we can just go to text and then enter the form here. Okay, and let's check if that's showing on the front end. Go to contact. Okay, so there's our form here. So it's not going to work yet because we haven't attached our email. So next we'll work on setting up the domain and the emails so we can get this form functioning. Next, let's work on cleaning up some of the pages. So let's go first with the home page. I don't want to display like the title here, so let's remove that by going to settings and then click hide title. So now it's a lot cleaner. And then we'll update that. And then we'll just do that for the other pages. So let's just exit. Go back to the dashboard. Okay. Let me just check if I saved the previous change. Okay. So let's do the same for the about. Actually, I like it on the about, so we'll keep that. Yeah, services is fine to keep the title. For the category cars, let's just let's remove that. Actually, yes, this will be more complex because it's not built on Elementor, so let's just skip that and then contact. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so it's just the home page that I needed to update so that it looks cleaner. Okay, next we'll work on obtaining a domain, which you can use as your website URL. So I recommend using Namecheap. So you would just enter in a domain which you'd like. So let's say on carblog.ca. Okay, so these domains are available. So you would just pick one that you like and then create an account and purchase the domain. Once you have your domain, you'll be able to access a panel that looks like this. The domain I'll be using is hosted with GoDaddy. So it'll be something like this, but all you need to do is look at the A record and then find the IP address located in Cloudways. So you would just go over here to domain management and then click add domain. So let's say cars.mapbulletmedia.ca. Okay, oh wait, not yet. So what you want to do is go back to your server side actually, and then get this IP, and then you would copy that over and paste it under your A record. But since I'm using a subdomain, I'm just going to click add and then choose an A record. If you're going to use your full domain, you would use at, but because I'm using a subdomain, I'll just use cars. Okay, and just click default and click add a record. Okay, and if you check the a record, yep, so this one's available here. So cars and the correct IP. Okay, so we go back to our record and then make primary. Okay. And now this might take some time as well. So if the domain doesn't work right away, just give it an hour or so and it should work. Okay, so now let's enter the domain cars.media.ca. Okay, so we still need to set up the SSL certificate, so we'll do that after. There we go, we have our blog page. So once you connect your domain, what you want to do is just log in again, and then we're going to change our primary domain in the WordPress admin. So yes, just go here to settings, then general, and then change this URL. Okay, so Cloudways does it automatically, but just double check to make sure. And it's already set up to HTTPS, so we need to configure that in Cloudways. So go over here to SSL certificate and then just use let's encrypt. Okay, and then use Sean, just enter your email and then the domain name that you're using, and then click install certificate. Okay, so now the SSL certificate is installed. So let's check the website to verify. And if you check here now, there's a lock next to the website name, which means that SSL is enabled. So next we're going to work on setting up emails. So we're able to get form submits here on the contact page. Okay, so next we'll set up the emails. So to do that, you just need to go over here and click add-ons, and then click Rackspace email. Now I won't be able to do this step because I already have Gmail linked to this domain, but you would just need to enter in an email. So say Sean at seancarblog.com, and then just any password, and then that should set up the email. But you will also need to just make some adjustments in your DNS settings, so you can do that as well, and just following these instructions over here. So once you have that set up, you can just start working on setting up the SMTP, so you're able to receive form entries from your contact form on the website. So to do that, we'll also need to modify the DNS settings. So first you'll need to subscribe to one of these plans. So just the 10 cents a month plan is fine to start. And then after, you can just click, let's see here. Okay, so just click this for more help. Okay, so we'll need to just add these records to our DNS settings. Okay, so to do this, we would just go to our DNS manager and then go to add, and then add a TXT record. Do add this as the value. Okay, and then click add record. Then add the next one, another TXT record. Just remove any extra space. Again, checking if there's extra space, and add record. It's just a CNAME record. Again, this one just tracking. Just remove the space. Value. Check if there's no space. And then add record. Then to enable Elastic emails to the server, you would just go to your server and go to SMTP, and then click Elastic email and enable. And this will turn on Elastic emails to your server. Okay, now that the domain is verified, let's test the contact form on the website. So back on the website, let's just check the settings. Go to entries. Well, not entries, go to all forms. Then go to edit. And then in settings, you want to just make sure that these emails are correct and it's the same domain that you have linked here. So make sure those match. So it should match your main domain of the website. So click save. And then let's do a test submission. Okay, now let's go check the email. Okay, and so there's the entry that just came in. So you're able to receive form entries directly to your email now. So the website is now complete. So this is just a good starting foundation to building a website. You can add many more pages and more features to allow this website to benefit your personal blog or your business. So if you're looking for any additional help, you can leave a comment. And if you'd like professional help, you can just reach out to me directly, as I do offer web design and development services with my business Maplet Media. And so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like and subscribe. And next week I'll make a video on how to build an e-commerce website with Shopify. So subscribe and stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.